Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We're offering a cylinder head for an 84 or 85 ZN1100 LTD. I don't see any broken fins whatsoever. This came off of a running motor. We have a video showing the compression and everything of this motor. You've got a busted bolt right here, and got a busted bolt right there. And down here we see I have a little area chipped away where the cam cover bolt goes into the head. So those are really the only issues. We're going to kind of leave the head together as is. It's going to come with cams. It's going to come with the valves, the shims, everything, just as it was running. Now, I'm not sure which cam is exhaust or intake because I think they're both the same on this particular model. So, as there's no tachometer drive. Usually, you have a tachometer drive right here, but on the later Kawasaki's, they didn't have a tachometer drive. It was electronic. So, comes complete as shown, and these are repaired here, or it could be run as is with these bolts fixed. We're just more into the 80 and down heads. The cams look pretty forgiving here. They're pretty nice, actually. They're not all scored up or nothing real bad. Could use a nice little polish job, but I think these cams would be okay for a runner. All right, this will be available. Thanks a lot.